Hello everybody, Zoospensefull is coming to the UK. In October we're organizing an intensive 3-day workshop in collaboration with Tatterhal Farm Park, where you will learn successfully how to work with and train a group of animals. We'll cover the foundations of group management, including social dynamics, communication and creating acceptance within a group. You'll also learn advanced training concepts such as the bridge, keep on going signal, gating and shifting strategies, and practical solutions to common group challenges. Most importantly, we'll put theory into practice through hands-on sessions, giving you the opportunity to apply what you've learned and develop new skills and strategies. Our goal is to make you leave inspired, motivated and confident to create your own successful group training program at your facility, ranch or home. We hope to see you in October at Tatterhal Farm Park.